Introducing bluePRINT, a smartly designed control system that automates emergency lighting and siren performance functions. Officers are often preoccupied with technology and other distractions that require a shift in concentration and a refocus of the eyes and hands. With bluePRINT, police officers can now reduce distractions during emergency runs, improve intersection safety, bring greater visibility and awareness to their vehicle, diminish nighttime vulnerability, create safer multi-vehicle pursuits. bluePRINT allows you, the officer, to do what you do best, now in a safer and more efficient working environment. While the possibilities are nearly endless, let's take a look at some intriguing problem-solving advantages of bluePRINT. Research suggests that 40% of all emergency vehicle accidents occur at intersections, so heads up, not down. With bluePRINT, by simply tapping the horn, you can activate a blast of extreme white lighting from the light bar and grille lights, followed by a variety of animated red-blue flash patterns and unique siren tones. The result? Maximized motorist awareness with minimized officer distraction. A patrol vehicle's presence can be diminished if its emergency lights are not constantly present. With bluePRINT, continuous visibility is guaranteed because at least 50% of the vehicle's emergency lights can always be functioning, no matter the viewing angle of the vehicle. Have you ever forgotten to switch the light bar from an amber arrow to a red-blue warning pattern when leaving a traffic stop en route to an emergency? With bluePRINT, any emergency light can be programmed to change functions or shut off by simply shifting the vehicle from park to drive. During emergency runs, officers must deal with drivers who appear to ignore emergency lights and sirens and fail to move out of the way. With bluePRINT, you can sound the air horn, flash your headlight brights, activate extreme white lighting from the light bar and grille lights while flashing the spotlight, all by simply pressing the horn. You can now create the attention you need. Light bar corner modules and mirror-mounted lights can create a blinding effect to officers when exiting their vehicles or while seeking cover. bluePRINT deactivates corner modules and mirror lights when the driver or passenger door is open. The modules reactivate when the door is closed. The inability to effectively view a scene or potential target at night creates risk to the officer. With bluePRINT, simply flip on the headlight brights or another input to instantly illuminate scenes with the light bar's white modules, white grille lighting, and spotlight. Bright flashing lights can adversely affect the vision and concentration of a DUI subject and the officer. bluePRINT eliminates this problem by changing select light bar modules and perimeter lights from flashing to steady burn. This feature maintains an emergency vehicle presence while removing a potential risk. During multiple vehicle pursuits, the bright flashing lights of leading emergency vehicles can compromise the vision of trailing officers. With bluePRINT, rear-facing light bar modules and perimeter lights can be either shut off or dimmed with the simple press of a button. With bluePRINT, you can link rear-facing white warning and undercover lights to the vehicle's reverse lights. The result? Increased visibility while backing up. Or tie undercover lights to the vehicle's brake lights to heighten braking awareness to trailing vehicles. It's entirely up to you. An agency can ill afford dead batteries in their vehicles. bluePRINT allows all lighting and accessory outputs to be individually timed for load shedding and sleep currents. What does this mean? It means when you switch the ignition on, you're good to go every time. In order to provide lighting function and flash pattern consistency across the department, bluePRINT can only be modified by authorized fleet personnel. bluePRINT also provides fleet managers the advantage of reduced installation time, reduced wiring complexity, and the ability to easily diagnose potential system failures down the road. bluePRINT makes program configuration easy with a Windows-based computer program. The USB port allows the configuration to transfer from your laptop to the controller. bluePRINT's design is modular to ensure fleet managers the flexibility to adapt to inevitable change. For example, purchase a 100-watt single-tone siren and later add an additional 100-watt amplifier and speaker to create a powerful 200-watt dual-tone siren. bluePRINT, creating possibilities for you to build a smarter, safer, and more confident tomorrow.